Yes, now we are discussing about yoga. In that yoga, we are discussing about Iyengar Yoga. Iyengar Yoga. It is discovered by B.K. Sundararaja Iyengar, that is Vellur Krishnamachar Sundararaja Iyengar, was an Indian yoga teacher and author who is the founder of the style of yoga as exercise known as Iyengar Yoga and was considered one of the foremost yoga gurus in the world. What is Iyengar style yoga? Iyengar yoga is a form of yoga as exercise with a focus on the structural alignment of the physical body through the practice of asanas. It differs from other styles of yoga in three ways: precision, sequence, and use of props. Precision is sought in body alignment in every asana. What is Iyengar Yoga good for? Through its focus on alignment, Iyengar Yoga helps you strengthen the muscles of the body responsible for posture like the legs, back, and core. With minor adjustments to improve alignment, the small muscles that are often ignored because become stronger. And the next question is, what is unique about Iyengar Yoga? Each Iyengar Yoga class is a unique sequence developed by the CIYT to guide students through a safe and systematic progression. Through skilled instruction and practice, students learn to penetrate beyond the physical body to the inner kosas of mind, energy, and spirit, gaining vitality, clarity, and calm. Next question is Iyengar good for beginners? Iyengar Yoga good for beginners? Iyengar Yoga is the ideal choice for students seeking to build their practice in a systematic and methodic, methodical way, much as you might learn a new language or musical instrument. You will learn to practice yoga and understand your body, not just run through a few poses. And the next question is, how often should you do Iyengar Yoga? A daily practice of 15 minutes a day is better than 2 hours once a week. Every person should find a time for practice in one's life and according to one's restrictions and needs. BKS Iyengar used to practice for 8 to 10 hours daily as a young man. Which yoga? Next question is, which yoga burns the most fat? Which yoga burns the most fat? That is Kumbhakasana is the main yoga. Surely the most beloved and well-known of poses, the plank pose is one of the best poses to burn your tummy fat and tone your muscles. This is the information regarding Iyengar Yoga. The name of Iyengar is BKS Iyengar. In full form is Vellur Krishnamachar Sundararaja Iyengar. He is an Indian yoga teacher. This is the information given by him, which will also give so much of benefits to the people. Wishing you all the best.